All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is the limited 4x4, beautiful red burgundy kind of color with tan leather interior, premium sound system, steering controls, heated seats, alloy wheels, roof racks, 31,000 miles, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Your front passenger rim front driver's rim, I apologize, looks good. Tire thread looks like at 5/32. Let me double check it. Shot tires here, what the hell? Boss's wife's car. Shot rims. All right, yep, less than 4/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread here is at less than 4/32 as well. Here's your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any things, dents, or anything up there. The last power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. You jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. This is a push start system. Does come with the
living arrangement is putting a strain on the relationship.
Does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM FM CD player, honestly, all that good stuff. As you guys heard it, it does work. Got your heated seats, heated steering, dual AC controls. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues in your mileage of 31,503. Very nice. Turn on the lights. Boom. Keeping it moving here. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have a armrested cup holders, rear AC vents, and rear AC heated seats as well. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Rear deck lid looks good. There's a powered lift gate here. Boom. That's what your trunk looks like. Got a little privacy curtain. Of course, you got your spare tire here with some tools and such. A little button here closes this bad boy. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing there. Your tire thread is on the 4/32. This door looks okay. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This door looks okay. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim, no curbing. Tire thread is less than 4/32. Lights are working. Fog lights, everything looks good. Folks, once again, this is the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee limited 4x4 with 31,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.